Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to review this product. It's oil paint primer quality from Lightwish. Beautiful sets. I haven't used this product before, and I'm going to do an alla prima painting and use these colors and answer a few questions if you are just beginner. I always recommend just simplify and go with the limited palette. So what I do actually, I just do something like this. So I go by limited palette. So this is my yellows, and reddish I can just use something like this. So yellow, red and blue, this is my primary colors, and titanium white, and I also use ivory black. So this is gonna be my limited palette. And some people ask me about brushes. I use different brands and different prices. For example, this one, they are not even for oil paint, but I have them, and this is really cheap. I bought these 6 pieces for maybe around $2-3. This one is something in the middle. This is package of 6 or 8 brushes for around $10, $10-15, and they're okay if you take care of them. So they probably hold like 2-3 years. And I have these sets also. These black ones are really expensive, not too expensive, but maybe around one set of 10 brushes around like $90 to $100. And also this one, yeah, similar prices, I believe. Palette setups looks something like this. I was thinking maybe it's a good idea to just go through a little bit of how to mix, because it's been one of the questions, how to blend or how I blend my colors. So usually you don't see in my videos this setup. So in this side we have primary colors, these 3, and we have white for blend mixing different range. And this side I have black and white. This side's gonna be my value range, and here is the darkest. Black is the darkest and white is the lightest. And here is different ranges of colors. And up here it's gonna be more chromatic, and down here is less chromatic. And by adding these values, black and white, gray scale, to this side, knock down the brightness and chroma of the primary colors. And here what you can see, 2 different medium I use. This one is liquid. I use it in the beginning because it dries very fast, just in a few hours, or the day after it's ready to go if you want to add more layer. And this one is linseed oil, and there's already linseed oil, it's in oil paint, but sometimes you want just more flow in your paint, so you can add a little bit of that. I mix something like this. I'm going from the darkest to lightest, and I try to mix 3-4 values, but you can see the idea how to mix values and colors later on. So I had two of this and one of this, so I'll get something like this. One, two, three, 4, and 5. Same principle we do with the other colors. So we take a little bit of black. We want to mix this. There is 6 values. There's one more. This is our black for mixing. We want to take from black, and so it's gonna be more black than yellow. This is cadmium yellow. You don't need to do all this now. You understand the principle now, to idea how it works. But to knock down the yellow color, for maybe it's too yellow or too orangey, so you can mix these two, and something between here is gonna be really nice value. So if I take a little bit of this and a little bit of this and mix this like 50-50, maybe it depends if you want lighter or not, but it gets you really nice color, and it's gonna be in between these two. Still it's gonna be like same value, but the hue is changed a little bit. And you can also do mix these, two, if you want, like put out this and these, and get more scale of on this side. So lighter, like lemon yellow, and also can do this. And it was too much of. You can have the red is really red, but you understand, you can have something between these two, and also here. So you can mix this way and this way to knock down these bright colors. You use the grayscales. For example, if you have this mix and it's like too orangey, so if you check the value, maybe it's something here. We can try this one, a little bit of this one, and mix with this, and you can see it shift to grayish, and by adding a little bit more of this, we still have this gray oranges, but not too bright. And now we got this this value, and we can use. So now we have two other values here, and if we had this mix before, so you can see the difference, you know, there's 3 values, so you can have like a million values, but you know the principle, how it works. Here is gonna be light light, dark dark. You always think in your head how to mix this style, you're gonna be fine. Okay, now I'm going to paint something, and we'll see how this color shelf feels. So I'm gonna paint on this area. I'm gonna give some of this and mixing something else, and I'm going to use this for my sketch. It's really nice, browny reddish color. It's good for, you know, really nice. I usually use this value for, you know, sketching. And yeah, we can go through a little bit of how to sketch, how to start a sketch. So if you are a beginner, it's a good idea to sketch with pencil or charcoal before, and do some pencil studies and value study and color study before you start, you know, the actual painting. This is what I learned in school, so step by step. But now I am just sketching with color directly. If you're not happy with, you know, sketch anything, so you just take off the paint and start over. That's fine. I saw a text of an artist, I don't remember the name. He said something like this: make it exist before, you know, fix, you know, all details. So I'm trying to use that method a little bit. So I am trying to make the head exist before I do anything else. It's really nice to do studies actually, and you can just take off the paint really easy. So as I said, you can paint with anything you want. And my center line is gonna be something like this. The eye angles, nose and mouth. Let's say the light's coming from this side, and we can already just mark our lights. So it's gonna be something like here. Here is gonna be our light. And for the darkest dark, let's say we can use a little bit of this nice greenish to add a little bit of red. This is not gonna be our darkest dark, but darkest part in the face. So let's say, yeah, here is gonna be dark, and the nose goes something like this, and also here. shadow of the upper lips and the shadow on the underlips. And now we can draw the outer lines. The paint feels a little bit dry, and I can use a little bit of this to get a flow. Gonna do a big shape of the eye, just blocking with the value, just a little bit darker than the light value. Dark and the lines going. Now I'm gonna just paint a little bit of the hair, something like this. Let's see. Something like this. This can be my hair, and we can just block in with just one color. Doesn't matter so much. Right now for the accuracy of the value, we just want to block in with just so with this blocking, we can, you can see the face. The light shapes is coming out. Much clear. Thank you so much, and happy painting.